All right, so here we have a list of movies that if I click on them, right, I get the ID of those movies printed out to the console. So let's enhance that so that we can now instead just go fetch the information about that particular movie. Let's reuse a fetch method that we were using before, right? It'll be very, very similar. So I'm just going to copy that, if I could copy, and let's paste that in here. And what we're going to do is that we're going to use this IMDb as a query into this URL. There is the IMDb, but instead of being an search, an open-ended search, I'm going to pass this as the ID of the movie I'm looking for, and this is going to return here in the promise a response which we're going to parse, and then presumably this will return the actual movie object, so movie, and let's do a console log movie. Let's see what comes back in the console. All right, so if I click on Batman Returns, notice that indeed I get information about that movie, the actors, the awards, the box office genre, the ratings from different rating companies, the year, the IMDb, the plot is there, right? If I click on another movie, the Lego Batman movie, there it is, Lego Batman movie, the actors, the awards, and whatnot. Make sense? What I'd like to be able to do now is actually render the movie, right? So let's render this particular movie. Right, and maybe we can render it side by side, or maybe what we could do is render the details right under the input field. That's up to you how you want to render it, right? I believe in the project we ask you to display them in two separate pages, right? Display the list in the results sets page and the details in the details page, right? But here for the prototype, it's fine if we do it in the same page. That's fine, right? What we're really trying to do here is become familiar with the API, make sure that we know how to query things, and we know that we can render these things. So let's try and render it in the same page.